Dr. Simon Lawson, welcome to the Community Podcast Show.
Thank you, Warwick, and then for having me on your show. I'm really looking forward to chatting to you.
It's great to have you here, and I'm hopeful that you can teach and educate myself as well as the community about your industry and at a high level talk about what you guys do, why you do it, and how you specifically do it. Before we dive into today's conversation, I want to give you a little bit of context about what a chiropractor actually is. So, I'm going to give you a definition, the meaning, what a chiropractic care represents, the purpose, why they exist, as well as their speciality, what they're experts in. A chiropractor is a licensed healthcare professional who specializes in diagnosing and treating neuromuscular disorders, primarily through manual adjustments and manipulation of the spine. The meaning, what chiropractic care represents, is based on the principle that proper alignment of the body's musculoskeletal structure, especially the spine, enables the body to heal itself without medication or surgery. It emphasizes a natural, hands-on approach to health and wellness. The purpose, why chiropractors exist, is to restore proper spinal alignment, reduce pain, particularly in the back, neck, joints, and headache pain, improve physical function and mobility, support the nervous system for better overall body performance, promotes long-term wellness without the dependency on drugs or invasive procedures. What the chiropractic industry are experts in is spinal adjustments and joint manipulations, posture correction, back and pain relief, headache and migraine management, sports injuries, muscular strains, and workplace related pain, as well as holistic wellness strategies. Now, here's how this whole interview came about. A few weeks ago, I posted on several well known local Facebook community groups asking, I'm looking for the best chiropractor in the Gauteng region that you can personally and highly recommend if you had a great experience. Please share your name, what they helped you with, and their contact details. The response was overwhelming, and one of the names that kept coming up over and over again was Dr. Simon Lawson. So naturally, I reached out to him to learn more and invite him on today's podcast. Let me tell you why so many people trust him. Dr. Lawson is not your average chiropractor. He's a registered chiropractor and certified sports physician with over 2 decades of elite experience. He's treated professional athletes across the UK and South Africa, worked at 4 World Games, and is the current chair of the International Sporting Federation's Commission for the International Federation of Sports Chiropractic. He's a former president of both Chiropractic South Africa and the Chiropractic Association of South Africa, a fellow of the Royal College of Chiropractors Sports, and holds a master's in sports and exercise medicine from Nottingham University. He's also the owner of Morningside Chiropractic and Sports Injury Center and part of the Wonders Sports Medicine Center, where we are today, which is a multidisciplinary hub supporting both elite athletes and everyday individuals. And when he's not treating patients, he's running triathlons, conquering the Otter Trail, or cycling the Cape Epic. His passion for performance, wellness, and human potential is clear. So with that introduction, let's get to know Dr. Simon Lawson. And if you're somebody who cares about living pain-free, performing at your best, or simply making smarter decisions about your health and wellness, this podcast is for you. You may want to consider hitting the subscribe button and joining us on the journey to continue to learn from the best in the business right here in our community. So I gave you a little bit of an introduction. Dr. Simon Lawson, welcome to the Community Podcast Show.
Thank you, Warwick, and then for having me on your show. I'm really looking forward to chatting to you.
It's great to have you here, and I'm hopeful that you can teach and educate myself as well as the community about your industry and at a high level talk about what you guys do, why you do it, and how you specifically do it. You can very highly recommend it in the Gauteng region. So I'm delighted to have the opportunity to interview you today and get to know you a little bit better.
It's always lovely to hear that, and it's nice to hear that that your work is appreciated and people acknowledge it. So that thank you, and thanks for reaching out because I think what sort of prompted me to get back in touch with you is because of the misconceptions in our profession, and the miscommunication that happens around our profession with colleagues and healthcare professionals alike. And I think this is an amazing opportunity for us to have a chat. And as you say, educate everyone within this community. But what we actually do as chiropractors and how we can actually help people firstly manage their pain um, and actually live an active and happy lifestyle and not have to deal with the aches and pains of the day that people think they have to because they're getting older and it's part of aging and it's part of getting on with life. And that's not necessarily always the case.
The research that I've done, your industry is incredibly specialized.